Hey, Chris.
Hello.
Let's see. Is my camera on or is it off?
I think it's off. Yeah, I don't see anything.
Oh, weird.
It doesn't really matter that much.
Okay, it's okay. Usually I think it's working now.
Yeah, it works now.
All right. Let's see. Need to pull everything up. So nobody sent me their data yet, so I think I'm just gonna do it off of yours, I guess.
Okay.
Do you think?
Yeah,
Do you think that will work, or what? Is it not gonna be enough?
I got a lot. Do you remember how much I had on there? Or how much I have?
There was. Let me open it. Have it on my other computer.
Okay.
Let's see. I just had to. I don't know how to do Skype on my other computer, so well, we just got a new one. No, I don't know. I haven't set up I think it has a video camera. Probably all new computers do, right?
Yeah, I think is it a laptop or
No, it's a desktop.
oh yeah, I don't know if they actually I know laptops do. I think you have to buy a webcam if it's a desktop.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know.
Okay, so
Oh,
you figure out what you're supposed to do, like
yeah, I asked
if you
him.
have the data.
I asked him what kind of graph, and he said any graph. I think. Let's see.
Yeah,
Yeah, he. Okay.
on the video, yeah, someone asked that for like the group quiz, his lecture thing, and he just said whatever, like you could even do a pie chart if you want.
Oh. Okay. Yeah, I haven't. I had the stomach flu all week, so I haven't been I haven't done it yet. Well, and because nobody, Mia sent me a document, so I opened it and it was just it was just the first page without any data or anything.
Oh, so it was just like answering the first questions or whatever, or
Yeah, it was showing who was in our group, and then it showed that she said something like she observed 1 in every 5 people, and then there was a line that said attach the data below, or the data is below, and there was nothing.
oh,
I emailed her a few days ago telling her that there was no data, and she never responded or anything. So,
yeah, I emailed them to send you their stuff, and I mean they didn't respond either. But yeah,
yeah, I don't know. Let's see. I'm gonna make sure because doesn't it have to have? So to be a good study, it has to have at least. Isn't it
I
only
think
like 30?
uh, I know I got more than 30, but I want to say like the goal was to get 100, because
Okay.
that's pretty good if you get 100.
And the thing is, if she did it 1 in every 5 and you did 1 in every 3, then will that? Wasn't sure how to consolidate that.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't, but I wouldn't think it would be that big of a deal. But I mean, I'm not that
Okay.
picky with these things.
Yeah, well, I'm not either. And I have to describe the data. It says to write a summary or two just describing it. And so I don't know what's more into it, but it looks kind of like you already did that in your summary paragraph. I'll just kind of,
Okay.
I mean, I'm not going to
Oh,
copy paste that, but I'm not sure.
I mean, you can use whatever I did, but yeah, you probably just have to write more because mine was just like a short couple sentences, I think.
Yeah, and it said summary paragraph needs to be between 1 to 3 paragraphs. So I'll look again and I'll try to, I wish I could see an example of this, but are there examples? Do you know?
Um, I I don't think so. Like I haven't seen any. You
Okay.
could try looking in like the project, like the tab,
Mm-hmm.
but I didn't find any.
Okay. I'll do it today or tomorrow.
Yeah, I would say if they don't send you anything, just use my whatever I sent you and
Okay.
don't worry about it too much.
Okay, I'm opening up. Where'd it go? Okay, here it is. Because, yeah, Emily, has she responded to you?
No.
Because next week is their part, so we might have to split their part.
Yeah, that's what I was, because they're both the next 2 weeks.
Yeah, so we might have to just end up taking, because there's two parts,
Yeah.
right?
I think you have to make inference and then I don't remember what the other one was.
It was inference and take action or something, I think.
Okay, yeah. So I haven't really, I don't know what we're supposed to do with those. I haven't really looked at them, but
Okay. Okay, so your
yeah,
number.
we might have to do it.
So I have your data up. So you have like, I'll have to add all these up. But yeah, it looks like you did quite a few because there's 58 wearing black, 39 or 58 men, 39 women. Not wearing black was 25 and 26, and then total, okay, 83 and 65. So that's under 200, but it's more than
Okay.
100.
Yeah, I mean, if worst comes to worst, I can just get a couple more. But I think that's a lot. I think that's
Yeah, I think you did a good job with that. I think that's enough. I mean,
yeah, I
I
didn't
don't
realize
know.
it was that much, but yeah, I mean you should be good with just mine then. If it's over
Okay.
50 on both.
Okay, so because it was saying describe it using statistic. We'll have to open it again, like summary or whatever. So I looked it up, and it looks just like, well, just saying kind of like what you did from the data
Okay.
collection so far. 70% of the men. So yeah, I will look it up more and then do a whole sheet,
Yeah.
and I might send it to you just to make sure you think it's okay. Well, I will send it to you so you can try
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Should I also send it to Erica and Mia if they didn't? Um,
Um, I I don't know. I would send it to them and then because I still would want them to do their parts.
okay. Yeah, because I guess they'll just have to go off of that.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Uh, that. Or do you have any other questions on it?
Um, if I do, I'll email you. I emailed the teacher. Well, the graph thing was. I was just trying to figure out. I was googling how to make graphs, but I could probably figure it out because I
Yeah,
remember.
I think you can just use Microsoft Word for some of them, like just like a basic bar graph or a pie chart. I'm pretty sure.
Okay, and
Like I'm not super familiar.
just have your data. Yeah, I could. I think I could figure it out. I mean, YouTube has everything, so
Yeah.
if anything, I'll just YouTube how to make.
Yeah, I think so. I'm looking on Word. I think if you just click Insert and you can click on Chart,
Okay,
do it through there somehow. I'm,
and then
I'm
just
not.
like wearing black, not wearing black comparison,
Yeah,
men and women. Okay,
yeah. I'm like, I'm like, I don't seem like figure it out probably. So yeah, I'll just go use Microsoft Word, or
okay.
if you really have to, I think the SPSS you can make graphs in there, but that probably would be harder.
Yeah. Oh, that has been working really bad still. Like it's
Yeah,
so slow.
yeah. Mine
Have
has been pretty slow.
Yeah, it's crazy. I don't know why, but maybe it's just everybody's using it.
Yeah, I don't know. So, are we ready? Are we good to go on to the group quizzes?
Yeah, we're good. I'm opening it. And I did them. I just like have been sick, so not really
Yeah.
totally not, like kind of lost still on them.
Yeah. I think one of them was like SPSS the whole time and one
Yeah.
wasn't. Not sure I remember which one. So I think 21. That was one we did this week, right?
Yeah, 21 and let me see, 22. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, they were pretty short too, right?
Yeah, they were pretty short. It was nice.
Yeah. I wish they would been like that.
So we can do 21 right now.
Okay. Oh, oops. Oh, I think I accidentally pressed to retake it.
Yeah, I almost did that.
I don't know. I'm like totally out of it today. Sorry.
Oh, me too.
Let's see. And we only have 2 weeks left, right?
Yeah,
Oops.
I think we only have one more group quiz and then the final.
Oh, wow. That's crazy. Did you do good on your
Yeah.
test?
Not really. I think I got a C again.
Yeah, I think I did too.
Yeah. So,
But that one was, I felt like it was a little easier to guess on that one.
yeah, it was just like, I don't know. I just want to know what I'm getting wrong because
I know.
I'm pretty sure I'm just getting the same. Because they ask like a lot of the same questions, and like every answer I feel like is right, and then I keep getting C's, but it
I
won't
know.
show
I
me
don't
which ones I got wrong.
understand. I don't understand why this iLearn doesn't show you that because the old one used to.
Yeah, I think it's just so you don't give answers to other people, but like, I mean,
Mm,
after the exam is closed,
yeah.
I would figure it'd be fine to see what you got wrong at least.
Yeah. I think that's something they need to like maybe on like the evaluation. We need to say
Yeah,
that.
probably.
Okay, I have it open, so
Okay, so 3 is just like a definition.
yeah. Okay.
Um, Correlation deals with direction and strength for a linear. Like I don't know super much about that, but
I just wrote down some those notes he had about R. Like R equals 1 implies perfect positive correlation. R equals -1 implies perfect negative correlation.
okay.
0
Yeah.
implies no correlation.
Yeah, I think there's more questions on this about that.
Oh, yeah.
Um, so 4, I was still a little confused. So I think it's the opposite of what the second. So it says if the correlation is negative when one
Oh,
variable increases, then it decreases because I think it's just opposite.
yeah. He said that. That's what I had written down.
I have, let me see. I don't know. Because I had something else that said, I might have just wrote this down wrong, but it says if negative, that one, and then I had one, he said like if it's positive, when the variable increases, the other variable increases, which
Oh,
isn't
yeah.
the opposite. I don't
Yeah.
really know about that one.
He said that, yeah. I know what you're talking about. Claire, I'll do it later, okay? I'm in a meeting. Sorry. I remember on the homework or something that happened and it confused me too. Because I'm not really
Yeah,
sure about that.
so I'm not super sure on that. Number 4.
Or maybe another question down here. Yeah.
Number 5 is kind of like a straightforward answer. So it's that outliers on correlation are significant.
Okay. Yeah. And then that was using the SPSS, right?
Number 6, yeah. So 7, I remember this one. So if the correlation is, I want to say it was like 0.5. I don't know if he actually gave us a number, but if it's close to 1, that means it's strong. And I want to say if it was less than 0.5, I'm not sure on the number, then it's weak.
Yeah,
And since it's
he said if it's 0.6 it's moderate, or 5 to 6 is moderate. And then
so anything under that is weak.
yeah, under 5 and then over 6 is like 7 and above is strong, I guess.
Okay. Let me grab a pen real quick. So you got that one then.
Yeah.
Do you know how to recognize these graphs? Like the number?
Daddy had a war. Mommy. Okay, Claire, I'm in a meeting. Okay. So those graphs, yeah, I remember. Or he explained those pretty well. I think I got that pretty good.
Okay. Yeah, so if it's linear, like number 1, that's just going to be 1. And then like the closer it is to a straight line is the higher the number would be. So that's why like 0.95s are like somewhat close, but they're not exact.
Yeah. And then, yeah, negatives going down.
Yeah, so negative's just the other way. So that's that one.
Or wash it off, Claire.
9 is the same as, I think, 7. Where since it's positive, it's positive. Since the negative's not, or since the number is positive, it's positive. And
It's
since
strong.
it's above 0.6, is that what you said?
Yeah, that's what he said on there. So,
Okay. So if it's above 0.6, then it's strong.
because the lady asked that question and he said 6 would be moderate. So,
Okay.
of that is strong.
So I think we're good on those.
Okay.
And go ahead and go to 22.
If we accidentally like are doing a second, we click to do a second attempt, do we have to do it or will it just disregard it?
I don't think I mean, you don't have to. If you already got did you already get 100%?
Yeah.
On it? Because I think it just takes your
Yeah.
best grade anyways, so it doesn't really matter.
Okay. Okay. I'm on 22. Oh, this is. Yeah, I have those like hot dog, banana, hamburger.
Yeah.
That's funny.
So 3. So I guess linear regression just means y, basically. Or no, so it asks what the y is. So y is the one that's by itself with no letter next to it, and that's why it's the 2.
Oh, okay.
And then slope is x, and that's why it's 1.5 for number
Okay.
4. And so 5, this is just like algebra. So it gives you x equals 16, so you just put in 16 for x, and then you add up the numbers, and that's how you get 1.
Okay. Yeah,
So
he did that. Oh yeah, that's the one he did in Excel.
yeah.
Okay, yeah.
So are we good with those?
Yeah, those are good.
I don't think. Yeah, do you understand like the hot dog, hamburger, banana?
Yeah, it's just, yeah, I wrote down, it's just the way the data was shaped.
Yeah.
And then I wrote like, banana has no, it's non-linear. Hamburger is 0 correlation or R equals 0, right?
Let me see if I wrote these down.
0 correlation. And hot dog was slope was greater than 0. Yeah.
Slope greater than 0. What was the banana one?
Non-linear. There's an airplane right over my house.
I can hear it.
That's crazy. I've never heard something that close.
Yeah.
Oh, probably like
What?
a crop duster.
Yeah.
Anyways, what
What
were you
was
saying?
the hamburger? Did it have anything? Was there any notes for the hamburger shape?
Yeah, it said 0 correlation, R equals 0. That's what I wrote.
Okay.
And then for some reason, well, he put M equals 0, but I think that meant,
R.
yeah,
Yeah, that would make more sense.
yeah.
I don't know if we can do 7. So you remember how to do number 8? That one's pretty easy if you just remember how to do it.
8. Oh, yeah, just look at the data.
Yeah.
Count it. Yeah.
Yeah, just count how many. Can't really do 9 or 10.
Yeah, the Y. That has to be in. Wasn't that already in SPSS?
Yeah, these were all SPSS. So 13, I think he said if it's independent, it's always 1. Did he say anything about
Okay.
that?
Yeah. Let me see. Oh, stop taking notes because at
Yeah,
13. But
I was pretty dead by the end of these.
yeah. Well, I took a lot of breaks, and then by 13, my daughter
Yeah,
was sick of me on here. Let's see, but I think both of those were 1, and I was like, right? Yeah, both of those are.
yeah, they're both 1. I
Yeah, I
don't.
did.
Yeah, I want to say he said independent being 1. I feel like it's always 1, but I don't remember why dependent was 1.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's all I remember about those.
Yeah, me too. I remember that one was the size of the hat because of the variable being.
Um, I think 15. If you just look at the end, it says that the company wants to predict the size of the hat.
Oh, okay.
So that's why it's
Yeah.
the size of the hat. So I'm guessing these questions it'll it'll end with something about the company saying whatever they want to predict, and that's going to be the answer for the
Okay.
response variable.
Yeah. That's easy.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that's all we can really do for these.
Yeah.
Do you have any questions?
No. I'm good.
Sweet. Well, yeah, I'll just go ahead and just only use my data unless someone else sends you some of theirs.
Okay. Yeah, I'll try to do that tonight or tomorrow, like, of course, by tomorrow. But I'll do the graphs and everything and write the summary. And then you have to have the heading and everything that's in the other ones.
Okay. So do you know how to do everything though, or do you need any help with it?
I think I do. Let me look at it again just in case.
I can pull it up too.
Okay. Okay, yeah, because it says there's a sheet that says what has to be in there. That's attached.
Okay.
And it says in no more than 2 pages, describe the data collected, summarize your data in 2 to 3 paragraphs using summary statistics. So that's what I looked up because I was like, what is that? But
Yeah.
it looked kind of like what you did. But I may be wrong.
Yeah, I think this is pretty much whatever the paper I gave you yesterday. It's just more in depth, I guess.
Yeah.
Like I don't really know.
So basically it's, include a well-labeled graph with it.
Yeah, I mean, you can use the graph to take up. So it just can't be more than 2 pages. So if you just have the graph in like a paragraph, that's already like a page.
Mm-hmm.
I think if you get just like a page or a page and a half, you should be good.
Okay. So let's see. So be sure your paragraphs include a topic sentence, 4 to 5 supporting sentences, and a concluding sentence. So, include a topic sentence. Isn't that just introducing the topic?
Yeah. Let me look at it. Where does it say that? Is it on the first paragraph?
It's in the second paragraph.
Topic sentence 4 to 5. I think it just means like a full paragraph and not just like a 2-sentence paragraph.
Okay.
So yeah, normally like the first. So concluding is how you wrap it all up at the end. So your introduction or your topic sentence could just be about how we're trying to figure out how who wears more black, men or women, and then you can just write about. You probably spend a few sentences writing about systematic sampling, how we use that as a sample type, and then you can basically just copy the summary I gave you, and then probably just go a little bit more in depth.
Okay.
But yeah, should be good.
All right. If I have a question or whatever, I'll email you.
Okay, sounds good.
Do you check your email often?
I have a couple of assignments due tomorrow, so I should check it probably by midday at least.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. I'll try to do it. Usually, I'll try not to be last minute about that.
Yeah. So it's due tomorrow night or is it due Sunday?
I think Sunday morning.
Okay.
I think that's when he usually puts the due date, and I noticed it wasn't due yet, so
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, so I think it's just saying to make sure you have a good 6-sentence paragraphs and not just like 3 different paragraphs of 2 sentences each.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I will do it, and if I run into problems, I'll just email you, but
Okay.
hopefully I'll be able to do it fine.
All right. Yeah, it shouldn't be too hard.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I guess I'll see you next week.
All right. Thanks.
Bye.